Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Beacon and Joystick with your HOVERAir X1 Pro and Pro Max. Here, you can see the Beacon along with a range of compatible accessories. Beacon features a 1.78-inch OLED touchscreen, power button, select button, function button, microphone, speaker, and lanyard hole. Long press the power button to turn on the Beacon. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate it and connect to your X1 flying camera. Once the Beacon is connected to the flying camera, you will see an OTA update notification. Tap Update and wait for a moment. The Beacon will automatically restart once the update is completed. If you have a joystick, please connect it before OTA updates so it can receive any necessary updates. You can also check for updates for your Beacon and Joystick via the settings menu. Once set up, you can select different flight modes or tap Preview to view the video transmission to monitor what the camera is capturing. Use the touchscreen to navigate the menu. Swipe left to go back and swipe down to access system settings. The Beacon can be used independently to control the flight. During an automated flight, you can take over at any time by pressing the function button to brake and then pressing the select button to switch to manual control. Use the directional buttons on both the select and function buttons to adjust the flight trajectory as needed. Long press the function button for 2 seconds to activate the return to home feature. While the flying camera is returning, keep an eye on the video feed and be prepared to short press the function button to take over control if obstacles appear. Use this magnetic charging cable to charge the Beacon. And use AC to C cable to charge the Joystick A. It will also charge the Beacon when Joystick A is attached. Use the magnetic clip to easily attach the Beacon to your collar or backpack strap. The magnetic adapter works with your existing camera mount or can be used with the handlebar mount, so you can keep track of what the camera is capturing without needing to look back. Beacon activates the Hoverlink feature, ensuring continuous signal communication between the flying camera and the Beacon for enhanced tracking and improved following accuracy. To ensure flight safety, Omni-Terrain must be on for Hoverlink to work. If the upper half of the icon appears gray, ensure the flying camera is facing up and placed in an open area. Wait for the Omni-Terrain icon on your X1 Pro or Pro Max to turn on. If the lower half of the icon appears gray, make sure the Beacon is facing up and positioned in an open space. After attaching the Beacon with the right joystick, manual control mode appears on the top of home menu. Tap Go to select modes and tap Preview to display the real-time video. You can set your default flight orientation in the X1 app settings. Press and hold the motion button. Then tilt the controller left or right to move the flying camera left or right. And tilt it forward or backward to fly forward and backward. Move the joystick up or down to adjust X1's height. Moving the round joystick left or right will control the rotation direction. Press the up or down buttons to adjust the gimbal angle. Transform the Beacon into a full-featured two-handed controller by attaching joystick A and B. Place your index fingers behind the joysticks, gently pull them out to the end, and turn them downwards. You'll now have a high-precision dual joystick setup that supports real-time video transmission up to 1 kilometer, allowing for more precise flight control. Use the scroll wheel on the left joystick to adjust the gimbal angle. You can also use your phone as a display by connecting it to the right joystick using AC to C cable or C to Lightning cable. Then open the X1 app, tap Smart Preview. In both one-handed and two-handed modes, short press the X1's power button to take off. To land, choose a safe spot away from water. Slowly push the joystick down until the flying camera is about 0.5 meters off the ground, and it will land automatically. You can also land it in your hand. Beacon automatically records sound when the flying camera starts recording video. Once the video recording is finished, the Beacon will automatically transfer the sound file to the flying camera and merge it with the video. Great! You've just finished the user guide for the Beacon. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to HOVERAir support team or join our community to learn more.